Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make videos faster in CapCut. So you're going to want to open up a project, and then you are going to select the video you want to make faster. You are then going to go to speed, go to normal, and currently it's on 1x speed. To make the video faster, you're going to up it until I don't know, 2x speed maybe. It's up to you how you want to adjust it. You can go higher until 100x speed, which makes it really fast, I guess. Well, it sort of cuts on some parts, but let's try the 5x speed. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!